I started playing volleyball when I was like 7 or 8 years old. My mom was actually like a college volleyball coach, so I was introduced to it at a young age, and I've just been surrounded by it for most of my life. So the reason I came to Harding, at first I was at a D1 up north, and then I decided to transfer second semester of my freshman year. I liked the idea of coming to a Christian university and being able to have that kind of community surrounding me, and I just knew that this place was known for great volleyball. So I had a lot of confidence in my decision. So I'm a setter, and that is the position that takes the second contact, that feeds the hitters on the court. As a setter, it's kind of known like you're kind of like the quarterback on the team. You kind of are like the known leader, and I like taking on that role. Having 8 new freshmen and then having 8 returners, it's been really important for us to make sure we're all one big team and not 2 separate teams. We got to go on a mission trip before preseason even started. We got to go to the Dominican Republic, and there we just got to bond on like a spiritual level first, and then coming into preseason, we were able to use that as our foundation to build our relationships. Looking forward into the season is just, we don't know what's gonna happen, but still we've already built up that confidence, and I'm just really excited to see like what happens.